Have you ever stared at a page for 20 minutes only to realize you remember absolutely nothing? But what if I told you your brain isn't the problem, your method is? Because here's the twist. Most people study in the exact way the brain forgets, not the way it remembers. And after testing this myself and digging through actual brain research, I found the 4 techniques that literally make your brain stick information like glue. So in this video, you'll learn the exact system to remember 10x more in half the time. Let's go. Okay, let's start with a quick truth bomb. Your brain is not a USB drive. You can't just copy-paste information by reading it again and again. Yet that's exactly what most people do. Reading, highlighting, rereading. It feels productive, but your brain forgets almost all of it within hours. So how do you beat this? How do you make your brain hold information like it owes you money? Let's break it down into the 4 hacks scientists say turbocharge memory. Hack number 1, the movie scene method. Your brain is obsessed with stories. It hates plain text, but loves images, action, and emotion. So instead of memorizing boring lines, turn them into a tiny movie scene in your head. Example, need to remember the brain has 4 main lobes? Don't just read it. Picture 4 stick figure lobes sitting at a round table arguing about who works the hardest. Now, suddenly it becomes unforgettable. Sounds silly, right? Good. The sillier the scene, the deeper it sticks. Your brain literally tags weird things as important. Ask yourself, how can I turn this into a movie? Boom! Instant memory boost. Hack number 2, the 10-second recall. Here's where 90% of people lose the game. They read something, then move on. But the brain doesn't learn by input, it learns by output. So after every paragraph, every short topic, every new point, pause and spend just 10 seconds saying, "What did I just learn?" You can whisper it, say it in your head, write it. Doesn't matter. This is called active recall, and it's literally proven to double, sometimes triple memory. Think of it like doing a push-up for your brain. No push-ups, no strength. No recall, no memory. Hack number 3, the spacing ladder. If you cram, you remember for 1 day. If you space, you remember for life. Humans forget fast, like really fast. So here's the ladder that locks things in. Review after 10 minutes, review after 24 hours, review after 3 days, review after a week. Each time you review, your memory gets thicker, stronger, almost impossible to erase. Imagine watering a plant. If you pour 5 buckets at once, it dies. But if you give it small amounts over time, it thrives. Your memory works the same way. And the cool part is, spacing takes less time than cramming and gives better results. Hack number 4, the teach a 5-year-old trick. If you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it. And explaining something forces your brain to reorganize knowledge, connect ideas, and simplify them. Take whatever you're studying and pretend you're teaching a 5-year-old stick figure. Use simple words, small sentences, child-level explanations. When your brain translates complicated ideas into simple ones, that's when learning becomes permanent. This trick feels like cheating, because after teaching something once, it sticks like superglue. So let's recap, because repetition is memory's best friend. Turn ideas into movie scenes, recall in 10 seconds, use the spacing ladder, teach a 5-year-old version of yourself. Do this and your brain will start remembering 10x more, 10x faster with half the stress. If you found this helpful, stick around, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more brain-boosting stick figure science.